Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Damn it. Did you hit me? You bastard.
Yeah. Like literally as I was requesting it, the time limit expired on it. They said it was to noon that day, and I had like submitted something at 11 and got a message back around 2 or 3 in the afternoon stating that bids already closed at noon that day on it, but that they would keep it in mind in case, you know,
Yeah, I'm sorry, I just watched somebody get pulled over in front of me.
Holy shit!
Oh.
Holy shit! Let's say that one.
Wow.
Wow. Holy cow.
To let 3 children ages 4, 7, and 10 go home until she was paid for baby. It's awful, but
Alright, yeah, I want to make sure that it grabbed the policy and that worked right like it's supposed to.
And I think so. I was able to go to the PF.
And ideally so close to everybody's heart, and hear that same sound. Dreams are shattering apart.
Dude! God! Bless it. Holy Moses. Wow! That's as close as I ever want to get.
Kathy.
First, peanut M&Ms. Second,
Okay, yeah, you definitely got that one. Ain't no fucking way.
A little too cold, you know.
I'm terrible. Beat this guy with a shovel. I killed this.
Fuck this job, fuck you boss, fuck your profit and fuck your loss. You in the at the front.
Start recording emergency video.
For infections and tuberculosis. Tell your doctor about any flu-like symptoms or vaccines. Liver problems leading to hospitalization.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.